Alright, quick report on the skirt that I have put in the car. This is similar our Ezlip. Um, I think now it's about 2 weeks since I have installed it, and basically it's a stick-on type of skirt spoiler, skirt slash spoiler. In the front here, um, it's supposed to be only glued with 3M double side tape, and it's, as you can see, it's even though I have driven around 600 kilometers in the rain, and it's still very attached to the car. Of course, here in the front, if you look at the video that I'm going to put up here, the installation video, you see that I have put a screw over there and another screw over here, another one over here, and another one over here. But that's the only place where I have put screws on to try to, improve the installation of it. But I can tell you that it's not needed. It's really not needed. It was just like something that I thought that would be helpful. Like, for example, here on the side skirt is the same type of skirt, and it's only glued. It's nothing else. And I have just driven 600 kilometers on heavy rain, and it's still there, very good. And it gives a pretty good look in the car. Yeah, it's looking very well, very good. And it's similar, very similar to Ezlip. It's a different brand. It's sold in Brazil. It's harder. The Ezlip is like a spongy foam type of spoiler. This one is more rigid. It's more rugged. So yeah, I'm actually enjoying this one better than the Ezlip. I had the Ezlip in the past, and right now this one is actually looking much better because of the hardness on it. It feels much more solid than the Ezlip. Also, as you can see on the side here, it's still dripping because I have just arrived. Like I said, I've been driving for the last 12 hours on the rain, and it's still there, still looking very nice. And like most people are saying, it looks like it came from factory like this. It gives a very nice finish on the car, and just it gives that touch that is missing because this is just too high, and that little lip there, the little spoiler, gives a much better look to the overall look of the car. Here in the back, it's actually something else. See, this is not original, and it's also glued on, but this was supposed to be the same as I have here in the front. These guys, they have a sort of carbon fiber look to it, but it's actually rubber. It's just a touch to give it a different look. So the one on the top there, on the back there, is actually one of these big ones on the top. Because it's flexible, I can put it anywhere I want, and I thought that the rear bumper actually needed something to give this, this feeling. It's more a little more smooth, and as the whole side of the car is lower now, I just put it in there, and it actually ended up being very good. It's looking very good. But this here, it's also, like I said, it's also using a double side tape, and it's holding very well. But that's actually has been installed in the front before, and I moved it to the back. And even though it was glued 2 times using the same tape, it's actually holding very well. But this one is actually installed there for almost a year now, and this one is only 2 weeks old, as much as the front one is also only 2 weeks old. but it's like I said, it's looking very nice. It's much better than it was when the car was original. It gave to it a more sporty look, because this front bumper, this is not an S-line front bumper, it's not as aggressive as it should look, and now it's looking much better. I don't know, write down below there in the comments what you guys think. If you think this is actually good, would you guys do it on your car? Like I said, this is actually universal. You can install it in any car. So would you do it in your car? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like it, hit that like button there. If you want to see more videos on more content on this car, because I'm gonna be doing a video log on this preparation I'm doing on this A7. Everything that I'm doing on it, I'm gonna be putting on video and letting you guys know what's happening. So yeah, subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks much for watching so far, and I wish you all have a nice week. Thank you.